Hi everybody, here we are again working on the Westfield, and at this moment we're going to do some things on the pedal box, and it's the clutch pedal that is having a great amount of play right here, so showing it. And this is the cause why you see that the hole is worn out and also the pin is, so we're going to change that. Detail in here that the play is gone and modified it, so we're going to do some painting of the part later on. See you on the next job. Like and subscribe if you want to see the following things, and then you will be informed. So thank you very much, see you next time, bye bye.